Good morning, guys. In front of me is VIVO V23, and let me show you how to clear browsing data. First of all, open the browser that you are using, then tap on More icon and go to History. Now select Clear Browsing Data, and you will find here Basic and Advanced options. So just mark those data that you want to get rid of, that you want to remove, then choose the time range, and mark Clear Data. And if you truly want to do it, confirm by tapping on Clear, and that's it. As you can see, it is empty now, and you can create the whole history, passwords, and so on from scratch. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.